Hello, what's up, guys? So, today we are going to talk about the Bajaj Consumer Care Con Call summary. And this con call is basically fully focused on the financial performance of financial year 2026 and quarter 4. So, let's just dive into it. So, talking about their revenue milestone, they achieved a net revenue of 1,153 crores for the financial year of 2026, crossing the 1,000 crore mark for the first time. And for the full year of growth, they recorded a strong 21% of revenue growth for the full year. And they also have an impressive quarter 4 where standalone revenue for quarter 4 grew by 28% year on year basis to 308 crore, while consolidated revenue grew up by 32% year on year to 327 crores, which is very good, by the way. Talking about their margin expansion, in full year, gross margin improved significantly by 650 basis points to 60%, driven by strategic pricing and mix improvements. For also the profitability surge, quarter 4 standalone EBITDA grew by remarkable 131% of year on year to 78 crores with a margin of 25%. Talking about their annual profits, they delivered a full year PAT of 190 crores with a margin of 16.5%, which is amazing. Moving to the next segment, business and channel performance. The general trade channel grew in the strong teens for the full year, driven by brand momentum and distribution efforts. Also, after the revival of rural sector in quarter 3, the rural business continued its strong performance in quarter 4. And the organized trade grew by strong 20s year on year in quarter 4 and contributes around a significant 30% to overall sales. There's one thing which I want to explain you. When I'm talking about 20s, which means it would lie around 20 to 30%. Let's just move to another thing, which is urban outperformance. The urban channel, including both retail and wholesale, performed better than the rural channel on a full year basis. Moving on to the brand and portfolio highlights, the flagship brand ADHO delivered an exceptional year with the revenue growth in the 20s. The brand registered near double-digit volume growth in quarter 4 on an adjusted ML basis and a mid-single digit on an absolute basis. The non-ADHO portfolios generated around 225 crores in revenue in financial year 2026 and is already profitable. They also acquired a Banjara's brand, which saw a double-digit growth and a low-teen margin in its first year under Bajaj ownership. Let's just dive into their strategy and future outlook. For the non-ADHOs, they aim to grow the non-ADHO portfolio to 500 crores in size over the next 3 years. For the distribution push, Project Arohan is yielding a 2 to 3% of growth delta in covered areas and will expand to 5 new states. Their focus areas will be Bajaj Coconut and Bajaj Banjaras will be the 2 key brands dividing the growth portfolios. And for the market share, they have less than 10% and company sees it as a significant headroom for the growth with the primary focus on Indian market, which is good for Indian investors and Indian consumer shares. Last but not the least, input cost and margin guidance. The war in the Gulf is causing extremely volatility in LLP, light liquid paraffin, and packaging material prices. The company has already taken measures like MLH, milliliter adjustments, and plan further pricing actions to manage inflation. Despite cost pressures, management is confident in its ability to maintain margins in the current approximate range. Also talking about the consolidated advertising spends were up to 34% year on year in quarter 4 with a focus of maintaining SOV, share of voice, by the way. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, just comment on it, like it, and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and be with us.